Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through New Kingston, and the most popular building in New Kingston is this building here, which is the Pegasus Hotel. And the road we're on now is Knutsford Boulevard, which is the most popular road in New Kingston. So the Pegasus Hotel is famous because it's the tallest building in Jamaica. And Knutsford Boulevard is the main road in New Kingston. It has all the hotels and all the large buildings, or tallest buildings. Some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica are on this strip. So straight ahead now, that white building is what used to be the Wyndham Hotel. Beside it is the Courtly Hotel, and we just passed the Pegasus. Now the Pegasus is the tallest building in Jamaica. The white building, which is the Wyndham, is the fourth tallest building in Jamaica. So you also have a lot of other buildings, but Knutsford Boulevard also has a lot of banks. This is like the main this is the road in Jamaica. You have all the business, popular financial institutions on this road. You have, New Kingston is basically the Wall Street of Jamaica. You know, the Wall Street in New York, we have all the finance companies and the business district. This is the business district in Jamaica. So as you can imagine, the real estate here is very expensive. You pay top dollar to rent an office or something in this area. We said this building used to be the Wyndham because it no longer operates as a hotel right now. It was bought out by another company. Actually, the Courtly Hotel Group bought this building, and they are renovating it to reopen it as a part of the Courtly Hotel. So Knutsford Boulevard takes you right through New Kingston, takes you from Oxford Road all the way up to Trafalgar Road. So on the right is the Victoria Mutual building. On the left, the blue building straight ahead, I think it's a Caramed building now. There's a call center in there. And straight ahead to the left is the JPS head office. The JPS building. Oh, the building on the left, the blue building, is the Sutherland building. The call center took over the name, so it's now the Sutherland building. And on the right is the First Caribbean building. Then you have GK General Insurance beside it, then FCJ, Factories Corporation of Jamaica. Then you have ARC, that's a new building that just went up. You have TST, GMMB, and then NCB. And then on the left, you have JPS it's a JPS building, but on the ground floor you have Scotiabank. And we won't even bother talk about the parking situation. You see the cars just parked in the road, blocking up the road. It's an everyday occurrence. Alright, so we're now turning right onto Trafalgar Road. So on the left now is the British High Commission, and on the right is Spanish Court Hotel. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.